Hi guys, welcome back to another video. First things first, besides my morning coffee, is candles because the smells put me in such a good mood. I'm bringing you along with me because my house clearly needs a quick speed clean. I need to revive it and just make it livable again. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed, and thank you to all of those who are subscribed and keep coming back to watch my videos. You guys are amazing. Okay guys, let's get started. if you're ever wondering, girl, don't you light your candles? I seen you light them. Daniel's the reason why. So if they're of reach for him, I will light them, while he's napping, but then he wakes up and we will sing happy birthday to him every single time. He sings it himself. He tries. And then he blows it out, and then we congratulate him, and he wants us to do it again. So I did get a few new things from some stores, my typical areas where I usually shop, and I just wanted to add in this voiceover to tell you guys what I got. So this like Lazy Susan kind of thing on the coffee table, I got from Target's clearance. The candle I got as a gift from my sister, and this plant I got from Five and Below. And these 3 coasters I got from Target clearance, as well as these 2 pillows. And this blanket I got from Five and Below, the pillow I got from Target clearance, and these 3 frames I got from the Target clearance as well. As well as this tote bag from Target's clearance, and these 2 house picture frames are from the dollar store.